Well, hey there. I talk about the skincare drawer of no return. That is a drawer where all of the products that we buy, that we try to use, go. You know, it's really the trash bin, but we're not quite psychologically ready to let go of the fact that we spent 50 bucks on a product, a skincare product, or a makeup item, or a hair product that just did not work. It didn't deliver. So instead of throwing it in the trash bin where we feel super guilty for having spent that money, and we're super embarrassed to take it back to the store, which many of them won't take a product that's been opened, it goes into this terrible drawer full of crap. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to avoid the drawer of no return. And part of it is making sure that the products that you use deliver on their promises. And what does that mean? How long does it take? How long should I give a product to work for me? All right, with skincare. Okay, let's talk about cellular renewal. Say that 4 times fast. That's really hard to say. Cellular renewal takes about a month. So it takes about a month for all of the cells in the outer layer of skin, and that's if you're not using anything to exfoliate. It takes that long for them to turn over. Okay, we can speed that up, and I have videos on how to exfoliate and use the Buff Puffs exfoliator sponge. I talk about all that, so please dig around the channel for those. But really, 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 really important is that you give things time to work. Now, I am the toughest judge of skincare. I've been doing this a long time, over 20 years, not to mention the products that I bought, both pharmaceutical grade, over the counter, and from dermatologists. So I know not every product works for every person. So if a product genuinely doesn't work, then yeah, throw it out or return it if they'll allow you. But you have to give a product time to work. So the general rule is you should see a difference, a measurable difference in your skin in a month. You should see if you're using like our vitamin C serum. If you're using a serum like that, you should see the results of that in a month. You will see some difference, usually with high quality skincare products, because they hydrate so well. So you should see an improvement in your skin right away, some degree. But what the real results is, take a picture of your skin before you start using your product line or your products, and then take another picture a month later and put them side to side, put them next to each other. That will tell you if you're getting good results out of a product. So that is how you tell if a product is working. So I'm not going to bash a brand. I'm not going to talk about in this video what brands you should stay away from and get to. I have videos on that. I just want you to know you got to give a product time to work. So be patient. Your skin didn't get in the conditions it's in. It's sort of like weight loss. You don't get overweight in a day. Your skin doesn't change in a day unless you're doing something drastic like a skin peel. So give your products time to work. Choose high quality, good reviews, well-researched products for your skin. You're putting something on your skin and it's absorbing it. So you need to know what that product is going to do for you and what's in it. So be sure you do that, and you'll have a great time with skincare products. You'll find things that work for you. And again, not every product works for every person. So rather than brand bash, give it a shot. If it doesn't work, change till you find one that does. All right, I hope you found this information helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so and follow us and dig around the channel for more information. There's a whole lot of stuff on the channel besides skincare that I think a lot of you find useful. At least that's what you tell me you do. So look forward to bringing you more videos that will help you out with your skin and your skincare goals. So stay tuned.